Alright guys, today I'm here with Mechanic Dan and the TIG, and we're going to weld up a 360-degree spotlight. Alright guys, so we're either going to use 2 King's laser lights, or we're going to use 1 King's laser light and 1 floodlight. From memory, I think they're like 1 lux at 2K, and they're like 8,000 lumens. They draw 16 amps each, so they draw a fair bit. They're going to need their own circuit. What are you doing, TIG? Seems he's busy doing something. We're not sure quite what, but I'm sure we'll find out.
Alright, so TIG, what is this? What are you doing?
What he's trying to say is, this is the outer bracket, which is going to have holes to line up with the inner bracket, which will pivot your vertical up and down.
Right.
And then underneath there'll be a bearing to pivot left to right. Is that what you were saying there, TIG?
Alright, well we're gonna leave TIG to this. You get it done, mate. TIG.
Okay then. What size did you want? 13? 12? 12. Is that good, TIG? They're well done together.
Alright guys, so the light's finished. We didn't get the video on camera of the finishing of it due to COVID-19, so I did it by myself in my shed. Painted it black, bolted everything together, welded this little bit here on with the handle, and finished it up, wired it up. So the original bearing that we picked out was a laser Susan bearing, and I thought it was a bit flimsy, so I went for a 20mm thrust bearing, and I put a 20mm bolt through 2 of them. So this thing is like solid as, and it's not moving at all. It's just a simple flick and it turns on, and it's even daylight now and it lights up a small area like pretty well. So I was playing with it the other night with my old man, and it is like crazy bright. Like it lights up an entire hill. It's the perfect spotlight for, you know, hunt and game, which is what we're going to be using it for. Let us know if you want to have like some more gun related content on the channel. So I did a super dodgy, well, did a me. I wired it up, I chucked 1 relay in here. It's fused on the battery with a 25 amp fuse. It's got a 40 amp relay in there and a bunch of spaghetti going everywhere. It works, which is the main thing for now. I'm gonna put a quick connect on here so I can just unplug it and unbolt it and take it off and put it in the toolbox. But yeah, as you can see, it is like super solid. If you were going down the track and you wanted to like spotlight something over there, you can just sit here like this and, you know, you got the perfect grip on this thing. It's like obviously solid. The bearing on here makes it 360 degrees, so I can spin it all the way around. It can look up that far, but I mean, like, as you can see, there's not very many hills where you're gonna have to look up at that angle to spotlight something on. Like, that's like up there in the tree. It can go all the way down like that. So if you like, for whatever reason, want to do that, you can. It's just, yeah, I'm thinking about changing one of these lights out as well. For one laser, one's real pencil type beam, 1 floodlight, so it gives a bigger spread, because right now it's a really tight lit area. But I mean, it's a hunting light, that's kind of what you want. So now we just got to wait for the sun to set and show you how bright it is.
You get that real long.
Yeah, you point over in those paddocks. There you go. What happened to Skyride? That is insane. Let's see how it looks. Whoa, that looks so cool. That's mental.
Oh my god, looks like Rainbow Road.
I know.
Try letting up that hill down there just in front to see like the reflection, whether it makes any.
It doesn't really make the outcome because the beam's so powerful. It doesn't really.
Yeah.
Oh, that's true. See that, James?
Yeah, what's that?
But you light up that whole hill.
It's lighting up the other side of the hill.
Yeah.
That is freaking sick. Yeah, you'd be able to see this from a plane, I reckon. Nice.
I wonder if we can send message signals.
Oh yes.
Same Morse code.
But that's totally good Morse code. Yeah, now move it around a little bit. Sweet, got it.
Alright, go.
You got it!
One more.
Oh yeah, sure.
See, James is a pro of this.
Go.
Bloody hell, mate!